Hey guys, a video on Intel. I think I'm gonna do some adjustments here because I'm not happy with this micro labeling. It's very tricky because it's so vertically, this move. But I'm gonna take this as your 1-2 and then these as other 1-2s. This is your third, and then here you start the 4-5 sequence, and ultimately then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is how it's gonna be, I think, because we didn't reach this 1.382, okay? If I took the 1 from here and the 2 from here, yeah, we didn't reach it, so that's why I'm looking at it from a different perspective. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, actually, I do need to take it 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I do need to take it like this from here then to here. Let me check how it is like that. Okay, this I can accept. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So putting the wave 1 here, putting the wave 2 here or here, but I'm gonna put it in the low. So a very shallow one and a very shallow wave 2. Then 1, 2, 3, like maybe another 1, 2 in here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. You see what I'm trying to say? It's very tricky because of how shallow the retracements are. Then taking fibs from this wave 2 low to this wave 3 high, we can see that this first fib nearly got hit, nearly got respected, but then this is your 4 and your 5 I could think here, okay? Or this is just your wave 3 finish now and we get the wave 4 now. But I'm gonna go with this, be a little bit more conservative, okay? You shouldn't start or open a position here if you don't have a position. It's obviously more risky than when price was here. Would be better to wait until we fall back into these fibs in what could be a 1-2 setup, I'm gonna say, but we're coming from this 1-2 setup, so, and with this 1-2 setup we want to reach this light blue box, so that makes it again a bit more tricky and opens the door maybe to locally push though and do this move, complete it, try to get to this box, okay? Because taken from this 1-2 setup, we have passed the 1-1, so I'm actually, that's okay. So meaning that this is your wave 1, this is your wave 3. Your wave 3 can't be the shortest one, okay? I just have the 1.32 as a guideline for myself. Reaching that always makes it easier because you also then have more room in the wave 4. If this starts to correct now, yeah, you're not far away from making overlap, okay? That's why I would love to see this stretch higher, okay? For the sake of it, I'm gonna add these fibs here, okay, taken from the low to the high to potentially give support here. We have this small range here, which we are now finding support with, okay, like this range here. We're bouncing from it. Maybe this can push us now higher, okay, especially if tomorrow maybe they're gonna have some negotiations, the US and Iran. We might still get into this larger light blue box, okay? That would be good. Then we do a 4 and a 5, a larger 4 and a larger 5. That's it, yeah. I'm sorry, really tricky price action here, because it's so shallow, the pullbacks. This box was very clear. We talked about ABC not being really happy with how slightly this low was taken. Then here this reaction was very strong once we got back above here. To me it was okay, pressure is now on this high, and we have done that. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.